Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start the reading of Science Class 1. Today we are going to start the reading of Unit number 1, People Around Us. People are different from one another. Gender: she is a girl, he is a boy. Age: some people are old and some are young. We are young. Our grandparents are old. He is a young man, he is an old man. Body size: some people are tall, some are short, some are thin, and some are fat. Short, fat, tall, thin. People are different from one another, but all of them have some things common, like fingers, ears, eyes, nose, and tongue, etc. Eyes, nose, tongue, ear, hand. Now we are starting the exercise. Fill in the circle of the correct option. People have different colors, tongues, ears. So the answer is colors. We identify old people from their color, wrinkles, talk. Answer is wrinkles. Most people have in one hand 4 fingers, 5 fingers, 6 fingers. Answer is 5 fingers. We have one in our body: hand, ear, nose. Answer is nose. Next part is answer the following questions. These are the answer questions. Question number 1. In what ways are people different from one another? Answer: some people are young and some are old. Next question. What are some things which are common in people? Answer: eyes, nose, ears, hands, legs, and tongue are common in people. Next. Name 10 parts of your body. Answer: eyes, nose, ears, hands, legs, tongues, arm, hair, knee, and foot. Here are some words meaning: old, budha; tall, lamba; fat, mota; tongue, zuban; thin, patla. Here are some dictation words: young, people, short, boy, and things. And these are the MCQs done here.